PQ is perpendicular here it is given. PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is parallel to SR or SC. Both you can use. So now here, this angle is and this angle both are equal. So if you find out this angle x, you are going to get, and x plus y plus, this is 90 degrees. Indirectly it is given, and y also you can find out. So here first what you have to write here, whatever the given things are there, but better you write in this. Given angle SQR is equal to that. Otherwise you can write PQ is perpendicular to PS. So that is nothing but angle SPQ is equal to 90 degrees. Angle SPQ. It is not given directly, but perpendicular it is given here. And also given PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR is equal to SQR is equal to 28 degrees. Angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. Okay. So now here we need to find out angle QSR. QSR is not asking. Angle QSR plus angle SQR is equal to angle QRT. This is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Whenever you use any property, angle sum property, better you write that one like that. Angle SQR we need to find out. QSR. QSR. Wherever angle is written, your eyes should go from here to here and here. Otherwise you cannot identify. Geometry cannot be understood. Okay. So plus SQR. Whenever SQR is on, your eyes should go SQR ये है. So 28 degrees. Which is equal to QRT. QRT is 65 degrees. So this angle QSR is equal to 65 minus 28. 37 degrees. 37 आ गया. So therefore x is equal to 37 degrees because alternate angles. They are alternate angles. And also x plus y plus angle SPQ is equal to 180 degrees. Because angle sum. The reason is angle sum. So x we found 37 degrees. 37 plus y plus SPQ is 90 degrees. So this is equal to 180 degrees. 37, okay, 37 and 90 you add 127. 127 subtract from 180. 53. So angle y is equal to 53. Angle x is equal to 37. X and y values asking you to find out. Okay. So now let us go. Did you understand here? दिख रहा है ना?
No sir.
किसी एक को दिख रहा है? किसी एक को दिख रहा है? Is anyone is able to see?
Sir,
is anyone? What?
No sir, before Bishmita and Aditi, they told the request here.
Aditi?
Yes sir.
Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes sir, clear.
Clear है ना?
Yes sir.
Yes. Now let us go for the sixth problem. So the last problem and very important here. So the question is given to you QR of the triangle PQR. QR of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is given to you like this. Is produced. Triangle PQR. This is produced to a point S. If the bisector of angle PQR, angle PQR का bisector means equally dividing line. and the bisector of the PQR and PRS. PRS का bisector. These two will meet at a point C. Bisector is nothing but here it is given that indirectly this angle is equal to this one and this angle is equal to this one. These two are here. And asking you to find out angle QPR. Angle QPR is the half of QPR. Angle QTR is the half of angle QPR. So here if you take this one into consideration, here nothing, measurement is not given, you are not supposed to take any measure. We need to prove that angle QTR, this one, this angle is the half of QPR mein half. Okay. So now here if you see that in the what way we can proceed. So to make this problem as an easy problem, I am going to mention this one as A and this one as A, measure. This one as a B, this one as a B. Both are equal. Just for easy understanding purpose, I am denoting with that. And this as a X you consider, this as a Y you consider. So like this, if you consider that, if you see properly, now what we need to prove? X is equals to, X is the half of Y, isn't it? X is the half of Y we need to prove. Then double of X is equals to, 2X is equals to Y. 2X is equals to Y you have to prove. So we should have the only X and Y only with a relation, the remaining should not be there. So how can you prove that one? X and Y only should be there and other should not be there. See here, whenever you see this one, this is an exterior angle. This exterior angle will be equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. There will be a multiple ways. Your idea may be different and my idea may be different. You can solve this problem in a multiple different ways. See here, this is exterior angle. Let us take all the possible ways. So 2A exterior angle is equals to 2B plus Y. So Y is equals to what you get? 2A minus 2B you got. ये B को इधर लेके गए. Y is equals to 2A minus 2B. So Y is equals to 2 times of A minus B. Okay, what we need to prove? X is equals to half of Y. So Y is equals to 2X. We need to prove. Y is equals to 2X. So X place में A minus B आया. So X is equals to A minus B if you are proving. If you are proving that X is equals to A minus B, then the required thing is done. If you take here these triangles you take into consider. So what do you get this one? In terms of A you take. This one you take in terms of A. 180 minus 2A. This angle is 180 minus 2A. Isn't it? So that is 180 minus 2A. So in this triangle angle sum property apply karo. In this triangle angle sum property. So what do you get? X2 plus B plus 180 minus 2A plus A is equals to 180. See here. X, B. This is 180 minus 2A because here completely 2A. So this is 180 minus 2A. So there will be a representation maybe. See, you don't try to solve the problem blindly. Most of the students will try to solve the problem blindly. Blindly is nothing but just try to remember the steps. In geometry, if you try to remember the steps, you cannot solve it. It is not possible to you to do. Okay. So now here what to do? From this 180 cancel हो जाएगा. So X plus B minus 2A plus A minus A is equals to B. X is equals to A minus B. This X you substitute here. 2X हो गया. X is equals to 1 by 2Y. If X and Y and A, B is there, the problem becomes easy. You can solve it in another way also, by taking in the, instead of considering these values x, y, a, b. See here, if you take this one in this way, the problem becomes easy. That's all I am saying. Without this also, some other steps if you take also, in another way if you take also, then you will get it. Without considering A, B and all the things, if you try to prove it, you can prove it. Same method will be the same, but that will appear to you in a different way. So this is a way I have given to you to make this problem easy. So x we have considered as a, so first you can write here the steps. Let angle QTR is equal to x. Angle, what is the question given to you in the textbook? That one only you. QPR given. Angle QPR is equal to y. And these two are equal here. Bisector it is given. This is QT is the bisector of angle PQR. So bisector means you consider both are equal. Here also both are equal. In that way I have proceeded. You can proceed in your own way also, that doesn't matter. I am not saying to you to do this problem in this way only. This is the one way I told you. Otherwise, with the 3 letters, if you take into consider the problem, you may get confused completely. Completely not. There will be a little confusion. Yes. Did you understand?
Sir, after,
Yes.
sir, sir, after y is equal to 2 into a minus b, after taking common, can you explain the next step, sir, means what you have written?
What?
Means after taking y is equals to 2 into a minus b, the next step can you explain, sir, please?
Okay. Here completed. Because one triangle we have taken into consider here. Exterior angle property I have applied here. Exterior angle property. 2a is equals to 2b plus y in this exterior. In another triangle, angle sum property better you take. In another triangle, if you want the angle sum property, you can. Still more easy if you want. I'll tell you. Still more easy. See here. In this triangle, angle sum property apply karo. This angle is equals to sum of these two. Angle sum property only, sorry, exterior angle property only in both you apply. In this triangle, this is exterior angle property. Exterior angle. So sum of these two will be, so A is equals to x plus b. So x is equals to a minus b. X you substitute here. X is equals to half of y. Here the thing is,
okay, sir.
Suppose the same thing if you want to do it with a representation in a proper way. In triangle PQR, let us say, in triangle PQR. The first thing you have to say that here, whenever you consider here, this angle to be taken as an equal angle here. Okay, so you have to express that in that two forms. So here, if you are taking here in the angle triangle PQR, this is angle exterior angle. Angle PRS is equals to angle PRS is equals to, this is exterior angle now. PRS is nothing but exterior angle. Now this PRS is equals to, if you do like this, there will be a confusion better. You don't do like this. With the 3 letters, if you are doing, there will be a confusion. You try this like this only, because it's an easy method to use. 2 triangles you take into consider. First you consider like this. I will give you with the proper steps now. Just I have given an explanation to you now. So angle QTR is equals to x. QTR is equals to x. Angle QPR is equals to y. I have considered, not given to you in the textbook. Okay. Since QT is bisector of angle PQR, PQR का bisector है. Therefore, let angle PQT is equals to angle PQR is equals to B. ये दोनों B consider कर दिया. And since QT RT is bisector. RT is a bisector of angle PRS. PRS का bisector. Okay. So then what do you have? Angle PRS का bisector. Let angle PRT is equals to angle PRS is equals to A. ये I have considered. Now, in triangle QTR, triangle QTR. QTR में A is equals to exterior angle is equals to B plus X. Exterior angle property. So from this X is equals to A minus B, you will get. You keep it that way. In triangle CQR, in this triangle, 2A exterior angle property. Same. 2A is equals to 2B plus Y. 2B plus Y. So this is also exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. Now here 2A minus 2B is equals to Y. 2 take the common. A minus B is equals to Y. A minus B is equals to X. 2X is equals to Y. And X is equals to 1 by 2 Y. X is nothing but angle QTR is equals to half of angle QPR. So this is asking you to prove. Problem easy हो गया ना? Okay? Did you understand this problem? Otherwise, this problem most of the students in previous years also I have seen that they used to mug up the problem steps by वो QTR के बाद ये है वो है अरे याद नहीं रहता है. Simple logic here. If you try to do like this, then the problem becomes in easiest way. You can solve it. Okay? Did you understand? Did you understand? Any doubt is there? Vriganka?
Sir, the last
Yes, sir,
one I
close
didn't understand.
Last one. किधर?
Yes, sir.
किधर बेटा?
Sir, that
Yeah.
the board is blurred, I can see.
Board is blurred. For all it is blurred.
Yes, sir.
Not visible to you.
No,
Okay, in the tomorrow class I will explain to you again clearly if it is not visible to you.
Sir, it is clear.